So this is question 17 on page 396. We have an equation for the combustion of carbon monoxide. So we know that it's a combustion reaction. It tells us that it is. Also, we have something, carbon monoxide reacting with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. It's also a combination reaction. So our first step is to balance, which is already done for us. Our second step is to determine what we're given and what we're trying to find. So in the question, it says how many liters of oxygen are required to burn 3.86 liters of carbon monoxide. So we have 3.86 liters of carbon monoxide, and we're trying to get to X liters of oxygen. Okay, so this is what we're given, and this is what we want. Okay, so we need to set up our grid. So we have 3.86 liters of carbon monoxide. That's what we start with. Now, if we look at our double mole map, we are at volume up here, right? We're at volume, and so we want to get 2 moles. So we have 1 mole over 22.4. Okay, so 1 mole over 22.4 liters of carbon monoxide, and then our third little part of the grid is going to be our mole ratio, which for our mole ratio we need to use our coefficients. So we have carbon monoxide, and now we're looking also at oxygen. Okay, so we have to look at the numbers that are out in front of these reactants. So we have 2 moles of carbon monoxide because there's a 2 in front of carbon monoxide up here, and then we have 1 mole of oxygen because there's nothing in front of oxygen right here, so we assume that it's a 1. And that means like 2 pieces of bread to 1 piece of cheese. 2 moles of carbon monoxide to 1 mole of oxygen. Okay, now we want to get from moles of oxygen in the third part here, this mole ratio, to volume. So we're going to say 1 mole of oxygen on the bottom is 22.4 liters of oxygen. And again, if I go back and look at my double mole map, you can see here we're at moles of B and we're trying to get to volume, so I have 22.4 liters over moles of B. Okay, so now step 4, I'm just going to, first of all my units cancel. Everything cancels, right? I'm at the units I want. That's what I want. So I'm going to plug and chug. So 3.86 divided by 22.4 divided by 2 times 22.4. And what I get out is 1.93 liters. 1.93 liters of oxygen. Okay. You can see that your 22.4 we have divided and multiplied, so basically it's 3.86 divided by 2, but feel free to enter everything into your calculator so that you feel comfortable with the answer. And that's the answer for this problem for number 17.